Imagine this, a single earthquake can unleash energy equivalent to thousands of atomic bombs. But how do scientists measure this colossal power? Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind how earthquake power is calculated. Get ready for a journey into the world of seismology that will leave you amazed. First, let's break down what an earthquake actually is. An earthquake occurs when there's a sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust, usually due to the movement of tectonic plates. This release creates seismic waves that we feel as shaking. But how do we quantify this energy? That's where the science gets really interesting. One of the most famous methods for measuring earthquake power is the Richter scale. Developed in 1935 by Charles F. Richter, this scale measures the amplitude of seismic waves. Here's the kicker. For every whole number increase on the Richter scale, the amplitude of the waves increases tenfold. So, a magnitude 6 earthquake is 10 times more powerful than a magnitude 5. But there's more to the story. Enter the moment magnitude scale, or MEBU. This scale has largely replaced the Richter scale for measuring larger earthquakes. It considers the area of the fault that slipped, the average amount of slip, and the rigidity of the rocks involved. This means it provides a more accurate measure of an earthquake's total energy release, especially for those massive quakes that can shake the ground for minutes. So, how do scientists actually calculate the energy released during an earthquake? The formula is quite straightforward. E equals frac 3, 2 times G times A times D, where E is the energy released, G is the shear modulus of the rocks. A is the area of the fault that slipped, D is the average displacement. This formula allows scientists to estimate the energy in joules, giving us a clearer picture of just how powerful an earthquake can be. Let's put this into perspective. The 2011 Tohoku earthquake in Japan had a magnitude of 9.0, releasing energy equivalent to about 500 megatons of TNT. That's enough to power a city for years. Understanding these calculations not only helps us comprehend the power of nature, but also aids in disaster, preparedness, and response. Now that you know how scientists calculate earthquake power, you can appreciate the incredible forces at work beneath our feet. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. Subscribe for more curious content, and let us know in the comments, what other natural phenomena would you like to learn about?